Controller drift can be frustrating, but it can often be resolved with a few simple steps. Follow this guide to help fix controller drift in Red Dead Redemption 2. Step 1. Check controller settings. Navigate to the settings menu in Red Dead Redemption 2. Look for the controller settings and ensure that the sensitivity and dead zone settings are properly adjusted to minimize drift. Step 2. Clean the controller. Inspect the analog sticks for any dirt or debris. Use a microfiber cloth or compressed air to clean around the sticks, as dirt can cause them to stick or drift. Step 3. Update controller firmware. Ensure your controller's firmware is up to date. Connect your controller to the console or PC and check for any available updates through the respective platform settings. Step 4. Recalibrate the controller. Recalibrate your controller through the system settings. This process can help reset the analog sticks and eliminate any drift issues by aligning them correctly. Step 5. Test in game. After making adjustments, launch Red Dead Redemption 2 and test the controller in game. Move around and check if the drift persists. If it does, consider trying a different controller or seeking professional repair. By following these steps, you should be able to address controller drift in Red Dead Redemption 2 effectively. If problems continue, it may be time to look into replacement options.